Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. We on day 10 of my Baddies and Budget Advent Calendar 2024. I did open this already and I didn't know how to put it back where it was cute, so it's a little bulky. But that's alright. You see the decor. I like that every day the envelopes feel a little different. Like that lets you know that she put thought into what she was doing. She didn't just bulk buy a bunch of envelope. She actually put thought into even the presentation. And y'all know I already showed y'all, if y'all watched my first video, I already showed y'all like what the actual box it came in looked like. Like for real, it was like, okay, she did her big one this year. So last year was nice too. I saw last year, but yeah, let's see what 10 is, y'all. Oh, I don't even want to throw these boxes away. Like, I'm trying to think of reasons to keep them. Wait a minute. I'm trying to think of reasons to keep them, and I can't, because I will hoard these for no reason. So this is, and look, and she even give you like a tag in the box that tells you how to care for the product and tell you what the product is. Like, it's the thought that she puts behind what she puts out there, and the fact that her stuff is not just cute, it's purposeful. Whew, honey. So this right here is an A6 acrylic binder. I have never heard of that before, ever. So this is going to be interesting. But it's in an A6 size, and it tells you how to care, and it does say handle with extreme care. Do not store in direct heat or freezing temperature. So she say this is as fragile as it is cute. So it's acrylic. If you've ever dealt with acrylic, then you know acrylic will break. Like, oh, I opened it, but I ain't taking that. Hold on, what we doing? We got to put it together, girl. It's a puzzle. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? It come with dye. Oh, this is getting interesting. Oh, you got to put little mama together. Wait. I'm not going to do that on here, because I'm not going to look foolish. But let's see what these envelopes. You got dye. You got the binding. And you have envelopes. So is this like a savings challenge? Because it just said acrylic binder. Is it a challenge? I know we ain't getting fancy with the challenges. One. Okay, so it opens at the top. But it got stretch to it. Look. That's gonna hold on. This your big money. These your big money envelopes. So 1, 2. Oh, it got the front end too. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the other one I opened yesterday had 7 as well. So I'm guessing that's what she's going with it. Oh, wait a minute. This is, oh my God. Now this is, wait, which way it go? I'm assuming this go on the inside. Like, wait. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. I'm assuming it's the front. I might have to wait on her videos so she can show us how to put this baby together. But this is nice. It looks like it's dealing with travel though, because the die has like cell phone, cash money, oh, lipstick, oh, got plain, yeah. And then these, so this is a challenge. Okay. Well, not challenges. Well, are they challenges? Let me see. Let me stop talking. Let's just open this up. So you got, hold on. Let's put it up. So you have, oh, no wonder I got them backwards, child. That's why it's dark like that. So this one looks like, yeah, they saving challenges, and I guess you roll the die, and whatever you land on is how much you save. That's what I'm assuming. So you got this one. I guess this is like the dashboard. It says Baddies Airlines First Class USA to Dream Destination. I like this. You write your name, and when you finish this challenge, you will have saved $2,850. Okay. So I guess all of these together equals that much. So this is boarding pass, and then each one of these is you save. Oh, you roll the die, and each symbol on the die is how. Okay, that's what I'm assuming. This another one. This one is 750. This one is 700. This one is, looks like, hold on, it's light. This one is, look like 800. Okay, so it gets bigger as you go. This one is 600. Oh, wait a minute. And this one is the My Access Pay. Oh, I guess this is like the front, like the dashboard. Oh, this is, you could come up with your own. So each plane is so much money, and then the total savings goal, and then you, okay. For this one, you would need probably a permanent marker or wet erase marker, or whatever they call them things. Because this one, you can use over and over. But I'm gonna wait on her to show me how to put this baby together. So that is day 10, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but based on what I've seen so far, I think I spent my money well. So see you guys tomorrow. Let's see what we dropping on day 9. Bye.